In the vibrant heart of Jamaica, in a small village where the sun kissed the earth each morning, two boys grew up side by side. Giffy and Norman were more than just cousins, they were brothers in every way that mattered. They spent their days exploring the lush hills, catching fish in the clear streams, and dreaming about their futures beneath the shade of a giant ackee tree. As they grew older, their paths began to diverge. Giffy, with his gentle heart and nurturing spirit, often cared for the neighborhood kids, bandaging scraped knees and comforting those with fevers. It was no surprise when he decided to become a nurse. He studied hard, determined to bring comfort and care to those in need, just as he had always done in their little village. Norman, on the other hand, was captivated by science and the mysteries of the human body. He immersed himself in books and experiments, eventually realizing his dream of becoming a doctor. The two cousins cheered each other on at every milestone, their bond unbroken by their differing paths. Years later, a health crisis struck their village. With the local clinic overwhelmed, Giffy and Norman joined forces, working tirelessly day and night. Giffy's compassionate care complemented Norman's medical expertise perfectly. Together, they brought hope and healing to their community, proving that love and dedication can overcome any challenge. As they sat under that same ackee tree where their dreams began, they looked at each other and smiled. They had not just risen to their dreams, they had become pillars of their community, forever woven into the fabric of their village's story.